Condition of your lost elegant ring of slaying has dropped to 10%. I don't care.
Why didn't you repair?
Fuck you.
I don't care.
We killed the first fight, you just walk in with like fucking holes in your armor.
Dude,
And fucking
please,
spears bent.
when you're about to like start the fight, please let me know a little bit.
A little bit. Do you need
It's
like
like,
a
Oh, you need some
full time?
Oh, that's a ninja thing, isn't it? Some
Yeah,
fucking
it's
bullshit.
only this 2.0 ninja aroma-born mechanic that has been around.
I love how this is going to affect everyone's DPS.
It is, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Like you're talking about like Kiss of the Wasp, right?
Yes.
Wow.
That's what you're.
Fair enough then.
I'll give you that one.
Fair enough.
Nice chain by the way, that was
Oh,
nicely
you're
timed.
welcome.
Oh,
Yeah, here you go.
brilliant. Forget how to push my opener buttons.
I was distracted. I was trying to do something with my dinner.
Oh, okay.
There's mechanics happening.
If you can remember to press boil, why can't you remember to press chain?
Because Broil's like the button next to chain.
Can you just fat finger it back instead?
I normally do. Hey, look. I wanted you to look at that buff you just got asked.
Thank you very much.
That you've had every single time.
I think I did like
Except
half
that one
damage.
time.
That's probably because someone else was actually in the stack this time.
Oh, that could be it.
No, I'm just saying that even if I wasn't in that stack,
Someone should not die from
Fucking like, are we going back to the 7-man stack like debate?
We are, yeah.
God,
Because
the fuck.
no, I'm just saying everyone lived like with the stack and the AoE at like 18k apart from fucking Rich.
Dick?
You know how it is. Sometimes globals
Thank you,
just don't want to
Tethers.
register in time.
Globals.
You're okay, Nim. You're okay, man.
Nim is just executing mechanics like that. That's just normal.
I'll tell you what though, like so far this is actually like I feel pretty useless as melee, but I feel pretty chilled out. Like I'm actually not doing anything so far in this fucking fight.
Pretty
I'm
much,
just
yeah.
DPSing.
That's pretty okay.
Well, as a tank, you just stand there and wait for
Typhon.
someone to give you a debuff.
And bait.
Uh-oh.
I'm waiting for you to say that.
Why can we
I'll give
target
you-
those feathers? That's so annoying.
Yep.
I can pad.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Pretty sure I hit 2 with Dragonfire dive there. So
Rain of Death.
They had some sort of buff though.
go on, Matt, give him a kiss.
Oh fucking kiss.
Look at A.
Give him
A
a
like
fucking
Alan.
kiss.
This is my kissing
A
booth.
for Alan.
This is my kissing booth.
Well, like,
Come here, dude. Come here, dude.
Alan is kissing me.
The Reaper's coming.
I mean, like just in general, because yeah, you're right. Am I dying? Am I dying?
Dead.
Don't they just teach this shit in school?
Stop spamming AoEs, you bastard.
Don't like this manner.
Gravitational wave was obnoxious.
finally though. Healers can't just spam DPS the entire time.
Yes, we can.
Still going to.
Kind of.
Alright,
Blue
I'll
and
best.
black. Oh, I didn't get it. Ah!
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Standing right on the peg.
Okay.
What?
Yep. So it's either gonna be
Tethers
tether or chase,
Chase,
but
yeah.
prep siren. Prep siren.
It depends where the boss is. Where the ad
Well,
is,
I'm
I
gonna
guess,
go
so
get my.
if he's fire, if he goes to fire, that means tethers.
Well, make prep siren anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got.
I'm
my
pretty
peg.
sure he's like always over there.
The
Lullaby
siren
come up.
always.
Lullaby siren, please. Then it's gonna be tether. No, chase. AoE chasing.
Maybe
No,
random.
just AoE.
Tank buster. Look at that feint. That's not gonna be useless.
There's
I use
a
Palisade too.
there's a kiss in the moment.
I don't know, is
I
he
think,
sure?
I think,
There
there-
is-
I
This
think
is
there is a
chase.
kiss here.
This is Chase.
Okay.
Chase. So I guess it's just random.
Oh, on the
what
range,
mechanics it
let's
does
go.
with this.
Oh, feels good
Careful,
to be
Chris.
melee today.
This is a kiss, so I'm next to the
Give me a
face.
kiss. Give me a fucking kiss. Oh, no, I'm not about that, dude. I don't know about that, dude. I don't know about that one.
Excuse me?
Wait, what?
Nice deploy. Nice deploy.
Fucking Nim gets punched in the
Oh,
face.
Okay.
You deployed nothing.
It's gonna be okay. Next is gonna be Typhon with the tidal wave. So we
So
stack at A,
bait.
bait at A. Yeah, bait at A, and then
You might want to elusive a sec.
Like an A and then go where, sorry?
A and then behind the rock.
Yeah.
Relative to
On-
the water painting.
Yeah, so
Confusing.
go.
come on, thank you.
So behind the rock now.
Just break away.
Not that far. And then Typhon.
Nice.
Easy fucking
Be right in the
mechanics.
corner.
Go to the south side again. Yeah.
Who's tanking?
Fight
this
is
one?
just a fucking
Nim
dummy.
is still-
I'm
Jesus.
still tanking.
How do
Yeah.
people
How is your
struggle with this?
CDs?
I have lots of CDs.
We do have just sit on the LB,
Magical
please. Sit on the
things.
LB. Sit on the LB.
What's he doing?
Oh,
Okay,
that's,
What is this?
I'll
Back.
stack.
No.
there he is.
Uh-oh.
Okay. We should probably decide on
Okay, we're fine. We're fine.
Everything is okay. That was intended.
Okay, fortunately he didn't cast an AoE after that.
We should probably just go to the wall, then run, and then run away.
Yeah. I have yellow, so isn't it like blue and black again, right? The last time it was blue and
Yeah,
black.
yeah. It
We had that at
restarts.
least one.
I'm gonna get blue now. I don't think
Wow, dude, wow.
Just
Dude.
take the guy. Wow, okay,
Yes.
let's...
you should stay with
Don't
it.
kill, don't kill.
Yeah,
You
Mike,
can stay
what
away
the
now.
fuck?
stay away, Mike, you got
Kiss.
Give it
Kiss.
to me.
Kiss.
And A is,
Okay,
A is
kiss,
for
kiss,
Alan.
the kissing booth.
Who's
Oh,
taking it?
yo, dude.
The fucking
Oh,
kiss.
God.
Oh,
Okay, so yeah, that one is when he's out of water, so that's okay.
I didn't know that like it was like way later on. I thought it was like black and red now. I fucking broke off so.
That's
fucking-
what I was looking at. I was like, what the fuck is that
Can
doing?
we get
Like,
mana
it's
now?
just like jumping
It's up.
somewhere.
Oh, nice.
Yadlo went out this time.
Holy shit.
Like, Buster on the...
Oh, that feint. You see that feint?
Did nothing.
Where is your
I guess
adult?
release soon, man.
APOG.
God damn it, I feel like we've been here forever.
I don't really.
Okay. Release, middle.
Blue, yeah.
And then
And then black.
And then, like, but this is
To the
the
wall.
stack after this. This is not like staying here.
Then yeah,
This
then there's a stack.
is the wind one, yeah.
Okay, yeah, run away. To the stack, to the stack.
Feels bad to
That-
be melee.
That was
Yeah,
not
that-
like placed nicely.
That's the only time I had to break away from the boss level 5 so far.
No, you chose to run away from the
No.
boss.
Yeah, well, but he doesn't need to. He just chose it.
Yeah, exactly. It's
This is the hard bit, boys. Okay, he's materializing on the rock. So that should mean tethers.
Is it not chase?
There is a chase coming.
Let's
Yeah, there's
find
a
out.
Reaper, there's a
Oh, there's
Reaper.
that
Okay.
Reaper, yeah.
I'm
So
gonna go
Healer
far, I'm
Reaper
gonna go far.
and
It's fine.
Chase.
So look away as well, isn't it?
It's not casting yet.
It's not casting yet.
It's
now
casting
it
now.
is.
Really?
Live difficult.
Okay.
I don't want to be on the
Instead,
side.
the
Tank
Reaper.
buster.
Yeah, Tank Buster, yeah. Oh, they're living dead.
Oh, have we got mana?
No. A minute.
Oh yeah, that could be an issue.
Did they actually even proc? No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay,
Oh,
tethers
yeah.
again.
One more trick and then I'll be.
Yeah, fleet, please, Alan.
DPS decrease.
Uh-oh.
Positions.
I didn't
Just
mean
keeping that
LB,
up,
I
it's
meant
got no
LB.
mana.
Cool.
Please don't jump.
Good job, boys.
Oh,
It
what-
will jump.
Oh, he's
It
coming.
will jump.
Nope,
It's
nope,
coming.
nope, nope,
Fucking
nope,
like,
nope.
get it. Get it.
Oh.
Right,
Don't
he's
break
dead.
away now. Just fuck it. Like nope.
Yeah, like, no,
Nope.
like,
Nope.
who's a
Nope.
pussy?
Fuck it.
Well done, Cardinal. You almost.
Easy.
Yo, that
almost
fight was
took-
cool as fuck though. I don't care if that. That
Almost
fight
took
was
a
cool as
knockout.
hell, man.
You've healer gear.
Wow. Fucking
Right, Louis.
monk gear.
Who should
Oh,
have any
that is
stats?
so good as well.
That's better than piety skills.
Diamond bandana
Oh, yeah,
of striking, yeah?
the time stone thing.